Bang, bang.
Bang, bang. You know that bullshit don't exist, bro.
Oh, no, man. It's part of the rules.
Bro, I mean, it is part of the rules. It says bang, bang, you're automatically dead. What? Yeah.
Isn't that gay?
So, Rod, I'm about to spawn in.
Yeah.
I'm not going to shoot you.
Well, that's okay. We just ran alliance with yellow. Because blue shot me in the face.
Yeah, in the face. I'm shooting everyone, to be honest. Like, I'm kind of tired of sitting around.
Yeah, well, I'm turning my radio off so Ray can't hear what the fuck I'm saying.
Yeah.
Because this roll change shit's annoying.
Bro, bad time to be here.
I don't care. I just killed a guy that supposed to come back here and...
She's like, hi, Rob. Somebody.
Y'all want to escort?
Do we want to what?
Escort? Blue team turned on us.
Like,
Like
we trust y'all is the question, you know.
I'll shake on it.
Where's your CO?
I don't know.
I gotta get
His
confirmation from him.
His comms are off.
I've gotta get confirmation.
All right, well, where's your CO?
Right here.
Can I talk to him?
Sure. Come on.
Hey, I got a way of trust. Here.
One of ours? We only got.
Where'd he go?
That's right there. Yeah.
No, I mean, you're the guy that I just killed.
I'm the one you just killed.
He's the guy that was supposed to talk to you.
That's what I'm saying, though. That's why we shouldn't send everybody, because then we're just asking you to shot in the back.
Want to work together?
It depends. Does your CO want to work together?
He'd be more than happy. You don't give a fuck.
He's kind of having a really bad day.
Yeah.
I thought you guys allowed with the rebels. How can you?
Yeah,
have a bad day?
they shot me in the face.
You know
I told Dave I told Dave last night over Scoots that he can hire us.
For so many cards.
2 cards a man.
That's before we knew what the numbers were. You shoot me in your spawn, I'm not gonna call it.
No, yeah.
No, we ain't.
Oh, I know. I'll shoot Ducky all day.
No, we're not doing that. Yeah.
I told him that this morning. And we'll do whatever. We'll do distraction, whatever.
Just end Ducky's
We're good because
right
we're not going to win this with our numbers. We have at most 9 people.
Nah, main reason why I held blue is because I saw a swarm of dead walk to their spawn, but they turned on it. Yeah. So
anyway, you got the radios. Talk to David. We're hireable.
Well,
you can say, hey,
Dave, you got comms?
Rebels here, and we'll do it.
Hey, I got a way to hire you. Those little scanner reader things, it'll count both buttons.
that
Really?
Yeah. That's
yeah, you can both get.
Okay, does the one over there count though? Because we were in the.
They're still working.
I had to have Ray go over because, like,
we were there for like 20, 30
minutes.
Nothing, not a single point.
What'd that say?
Yeah, that's why
Empire has 5 red cards and 2 yellow cards.
Well, we'll go to Grandma's house and...
Yeah, have Dave meet us over there. I'll go with you. One of them perfect.
Oh my God, I'm wasting so much time doing this shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with him. Everybody around it with the go process.
Yeah.
If they do, I'm calling.
Where do you want us?
Well, if I don't know, they don't know.
Hey, I need to go to Grandma's house.
You don't know where to go?
I need to get my radio.
We're going with you. Okay.
I need my radio.
Just in case y'all decide to fuck me.
Hey, my safety's on.
Hold on. Okay, now my
Well, whatever you
safety's
want
on.
to do, whatever you want to do, Mr. Luttrell.
Are we gunned up?
You see the most
Negative.
right?
Hey, red team! Whoever's in Grandma's house! You got multiple friendlies heading your way. Do not shoot. Do not shoot. Yeah.
Yeah, mine's down.
Just, I mean, hey, comms off. Ray keeps changing rules. Comms off. Yellow's on your team now. Hmm?
I can't reach my team. Cut mine off for me.
Yeah, we're going dark.
I can't hear nothing anyway now.
Yeah, because if a rep is near blue team, they could hear what the fuck we're saying. Where's the counter?
The count. Oh, it's on the other side of your red flag.
All right, it's on. It's on.
Alright.
You're my witness. See the yellow light?
Yep.
It's on. Let's go.
So,
The theory is it counts both. There should be no reason this will.
do not engage red at this time.
Make a giant echelon. If y'all know what the fuck that means.
Put a head between our ass. Between our legs and kiss our ass. Bye.
Yeah, so those guys know what it means. You go to my left. You're gonna stand next to me. 20-foot spacing. Sit still. I'm gonna cross. Hold your fire, you got friendly crossing. No. No, goggles down. Kill him. Kill him. Moving. Light him up, light him up. I didn't hit you. All right, we exchanged. Revive us! Anyone pop smoke? Pop it! Red team, cease fire!
Hey, tell your boys.
Red team, cease fire!
We'll be shot.
Well, if they start shooting at you, kill them. Come revive me! Cease fire!
Stop fire, yellow! Cease fire! Stop shooting! We're working together here. We ain't about to be with that shit. Cease fire! Cease fire!
Oh, god damn it. We gotta.
Just hold. No. I don't know, but that is a hero without a band on.
Run. Cross the bridge.
I got a green. Just come closer, I'll smoke them. After that, I'm out for this half.
He's gonna keep killing my guys.
That's why I said if he comes over.
Hey, we're good. Hey,
Gas is blowing that way, so if I smoke him.
Can someone revive me?
God!
Revive me!
To help y'all.
Come on! Help me out!
So,
hey, look, hey.
take a fire from that direction.
I'm a fucking squad leader. Pick up my card. I'm down to 2 minutes. If I gotta walk to spawn again, I'm gonna be pissed.
Oh, Red. Get your squad lead up.
Yeah, the undeclared squad lead. I didn't apply for this.
It is a big.
60 seconds before I have to go to spawn and lose my card.
Red team's gonna get your gas. Stay up now.
30 seconds. It's gonna be a long walk.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Hey, whoa,
It's not in the rules that says you can't.
whoa.
Gotcha.
That works. Yeah, we'll do
Just
that.
take that back. Gotcha.
Thank you. Red team, cease fire!
Yeah, we got it.
There's no ceasefire, Rob. You're enemies. Kill each other.
Yeah, we're friendly. Austin, red are.
Unless the Jedi says otherwise.
Hey. Sniper.
All right,
Red.
I'm gonna kill my own guys.